How to use flatbed trucks in trucking. Flatbed trucks are key players in hauling large, bulky, or oddly shaped loads. A flatbed truck has an open platform without sides or a roof, ideal for carrying oversized loads. Flatbeds can transport construction materials, heavy machinery, and even vehicles. Always use chains, straps, and tarps to secure loads and ensure safety on the road. Flatbed trucks offer easy loading and unloading, making them versatile for various industries. Need to transport oversized or heavy loads? Contact us today. Have a safe travels on the road.